Hi, welcome. Thank you for joining me to learn about the Good Samaritan Law. Allow me a moment to introduce myself and the organization I represent. I am Joan Balbuena Hernandez, the statewide bilingual training and outreach coordinator for the Parents Place of Maryland. Here at the Parents Place of Maryland, our mission is to empower families as advocates and partners in improving education and health outcomes for all children with disabilities, special healthcare needs, and those impacted by behavioral health challenges. But who is PPMD? Well, we are Maryland Special Education Health and Behavioral Health Information Center. Established in 1990, we have been supporting families for 35 years throughout the state. Governed by parents, our team is fully made up of parents and family members of children with disabilities, special health care, and behavioral health needs. Now, what do you need to know about the Good Samaritan law? Also known as Good Sam, this law provides legal protection from liability for individuals who voluntarily offer assistance to help those in an emergency. Shortly, we will watch a video from our friends at stopoverdose.maryland.gov.
An overdose can happen when you least expect it. Maybe you're at a party or just hanging out with friends, and suddenly things take a turn. You realize someone might be overdosing. You reach for your phone, but you hesitate.
Will I get in trouble if I call 911? Will the person overdosing get in trouble?
In Maryland, the Good Samaritan law protects those who call 911 and stay in help during a medical emergency brought on by drugs or alcohol. The law protects those who seek help and stay to assist, and it protects those who are overdosing. If you call 911 and stay with the person having the emergency or help flag down an ambulance, you're protected. Under the law, you cannot be arrested, charged, or prosecuted for possession or use of small amounts of drugs, possession or use of drug paraphernalia, being underage with alcohol, or providing alcohol to someone under 21. If you stay and you're not directly assisting with the medical emergency, you can be arrested.
Does the Good Samaritan law protect a person's immigration status?
The Good Samaritan law is a state law. It does not protect anyone from being arrested for violations of federal or immigration laws.
Does the law protect an adult who provided alcohol to someone underage?
Those helping with the medical emergency are protected by the law, but those not helping can be arrested. The law has a few other limitations. It does not apply to open warrants, immigration status, university regulations, drug felonies, or other crimes, and it does not prevent law enforcement from investigating or gathering evidence. Maryland's Good Samaritan law exists to save lives, protecting helpers and those experiencing a medical emergency due to drugs or alcohol. Fear of getting in trouble should never stop someone from calling for help. Remember, don't run. Call 911. Your actions can save someone's life. Make the call.
Also, on their website, you can get the Good Samaritan Law Toolkit, which has fact sheets, posters, wallet cards, and social media graphics, all in the efforts to educate the community and potentially save lives. How do I raise public awareness? Well, we spread the word. We tell our friends, our families, and people in recovery. We dispel myths about the law, and we encourage people to call 911 because they are protected. The person that's overdosing is also protected, and fear of arrest shouldn't stop you from saving a life. For more information, visit stopoverdose.maryland.gov, go to our website www.ppmd.org for fact sheets, or visit Overdose Response Program Legal Authority and Protection site. There are available trainings in your community by connected to your local health departments or your overdose response programs. They can inform you of the nearest to you. You can also find trainings by using the locator at the health.maryland.gov website. And virtual and in-person trainings are provided, and information is available at stopoverdose.maryland.gov. Crisis support for those in need are Maryland Crisis Helpline by calling 211 and pressing 1, texting your zip code to 898 211, calling Baltimore Here to Help at 410-433-5175, or calling or texting 988, the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. Resources provided by the Maryland Health Department are naloxone electronic kits, naloxone public awareness toolkits in English and Espanol, visiting the Stop Overdose website for their Stop Overdose naloxone page, as well as resources on the Good Samaritan law in English and Espanol. Additional resources, SAMHSA has overdose prevention and response toolkits on their website. They can also help you locate treatment and recovery services. You can also go to Next Distro for free mail-based naloxone delivery, and also encourage people to know and use the Never Use Alone hotline by dialing 1-800-484-3731. If you need family and peer support, you can reach out to us here at the Parents Place of Maryland, visit NAMI Maryland's website, or Family Anonymous. Remember, be a good Samaritan. If you're assisting in an emergency overdose situation and the person experiencing the overdose are protected by law, and those that don't help and are witnessing this medical emergency are not protected. If you witness an overdose, don't run. Call 911 and be a good Samaritan. You may be saving a life. For additional resources and information, please visit our website www.ppmd.org or call our office at 410-768-9100. Thank you for your time. Bye.